Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to sync Square appointments to Google Calendar. First, go ahead and sign into your Square Appointments account. Once in, on the left panel, go to Appointments. And now click on Settings and choose Calendar and Booking. Now just scroll to the bottom until you're in the Manage Calendar Sync section where you can link your Google Calendar. Now just sign into your account. Here just select All Access, scroll down and continue. For here, choose on Import and Export for the linking option and click on Continue. Now just continue again and again. And there you have it, your calendars are successfully linked. And as you can see here, you now have your Google Calendars account. So if you go to it and refresh it, you will see Square categories and your appointments. Now if you go back to Square and choose on Calendar and click on Create at the top right, here just create a new appointment, add in your client, the details of it, then add a service and the service amount. Now once done, just click on Save at the top right, and if you go to that date and time, you will see your appointment. And if you go to Google Calendars, you can also see it integrated in your calendar. And that's just basically it. That's how you sync Square appointments to Google Calendar. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.